actually, so yeah, it's fun. But still, the fan is really cute. And you'll get a bunch of photo cards, so yeah. And the backs are black and white with the fansite meme and the photos of me. So yeah, that's all for the photo card set. And you'll get a electromagnetic wave blocking speaker. They're really cute, Santa. Yeah, and here's the bag. Yeah, and you'll get a mini DVD. And here's the disc. And a pair of socks. And some postcards. I really like the postcards, like, really amazing photos. And here's the bag. It's same kind of concept as the photo cards. Like, the backs are black and white with the photo book name and fan site. And yeah, 5 postcards. And a brochure. And here's the bag. A fan. Really pretty. And a L holder. And here's the bag. Really awesome. And 2 giant posters. You call it giant? Yeah, I call it giant because it's like really huge and big and oh my god. It's really big. I'm so sorry that I can't show the whole poster. So wait,